Good afternoon, welcome to 1 Minute Videos, and today we're going to look at gasping and its relevance to when you need to commence CPR. Gasping, guys, is the third sign of cardiac arrest. A lot of people don't know that. If you find a casualty and they are not responding and they're not breathing and then they make an unusual gasping noise, that is the third sign of death. Gasping is not regular. It is not normal breathing. The person, a gasp may sound like a snort, a snore, or a groan, and sometimes may pass between gasps because they usually happen at a slow rate. Gasping, guys, again, not normal, not regular breathing. It is the sign of cardiac arrest when the casualty is unresponsive, also known as agonal breathing. And just remember this: 40% of people who drop dead, including little babies, will initially gasp. And very often people mistake gasping for life. Don't mistake gasping for life. If you mistake gasping for life, you are not going to do CPR, and a person's brain will very, very quickly start to die. So you do CPR to keep the brain alive, and you make sure that you know the three signs of death: not responding, not breathing, gasping.